Ejoy Intelligent lighting dimmer is developed for poultry and pig project. This dimmer can control lighting brightness and time to simulate sunrise and sunset. Ejoy dimmer can create a suitable light environment, multi-zone automatic dimming and achieve energy saving. The switch is waterproof cover IP67. Delay protection module allow delay of about 30 seconds. Surge protection module to protect against lightning strikes. Voltage regulated power supply can change input 220 volts voltage into output 48 volts voltage. Ejoy dimmer has module prevent light wane for long chicken house and keep the light brightness uniform.